Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today's video is going to be showing you guys how to make your reborn look realistic in their car seat. So today I'm going to be doing my video with little Miss Olive, and she looks like extremely pale on camera. But she is not right now in real life. But anyways, I'm just gonna take Olive out to show you guys. So this is the car seat I'm using. Since I have a lot of these, I just have a diaper and wipe holder attached to this, and it also has a pacifier holder attached. That is completely by choice, it has nothing to do with today's video. But anyways, the first step to making your reborn look realistic in a car seat is depending on the size of your baby. So Olive is just above a newborn size. So since she's about newborn size, it is important, if you want it to look realistic, to add a car seat insert. So newborns are probably just below 3 months. Real babies normally have car seat inserts just to ensure that they're extra safe. So when you add that, depending on the size of your baby, it does make it look extra realistic. Okay, so I just added Miss Olive in, and now I'm going to buckle her. So it's pretty important to have your reborn buckled in their car seat because A, you don't want them to fall out, but B, most parents wouldn't walk around with their baby unbuckled in the car seat. So when having them buckled, it's important to have this part, I think it's called like the chest strap, where it's supposed to be on the baby, and it's supposed to be right about there. And it's also important that it's not super loose like that, so I'm just going to pull this to tighten it. So now that it's tighter, it looks a little more realistic. So now that your baby's in the car seat, people are going to be seeing your baby in the car seat. So it's also important to make sure that the baby is dressed for the weather, because say it is winter, I'm pretty sure a mom wouldn't have their baby just in a onesie outside. So today it is 12 out, not to mention super rainy at the time of filming this video. So Olive has some pants, some little booties, and a long sleeve onesie with a bow. And you can do this even when it's warmer weather out. I like to add a blanket over her legs because that way if she were wearing shorts or something, you're not seeing too much of her feet. And if they're moving in real, like if a real baby had their feet moving, you wouldn't really be able to tell. So now that Olive has her blanket in, it's also kind of important the stance of what your baby is in. So with her looking straight like this, it doesn't really look realistic because normally an awake baby would move. So I like to have her head to the side, so A, it's kind of hard to see, and it also looks like she's focusing on something over here. So since your baby's looking to the side, it could just look like she's focusing on something like just over there. But if you want to also make it realistic, you can add a toy on here. I am not going to do that today though. And then obviously a baby's mouth would not just be staying open like that, so I like to add a pacifier in her mouth. And that is all the steps to make your baby look realistic in a car seat. Bye guys, thanks for watching, hope you found this video helpful.